Solving with Add Subtract, Lesson 2A. These are the examples I'm going to do. So now we're doing a new lesson, and we're going to take a look at PEMDAS. Per packages, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Right now we're going to work with the add, subtract pair. The way to undo addition is to subtract it to the other side of the equal sign. That is how we undo anything attached to our unknown by addition. And remember, solve means get the unknown alone on one side of the equal sign. Number 1, x plus 3 equals 9. I want to get the x alone. The 3 is attached by addition. Its partner is subtraction. Move it to the other side of the equal sign. The unknown's alone. I'm going to do my arithmetic. X is 9 minus 3 is 6. All done. Number 2, x plus 8 equals 16. My unknown is x. I want to get it alone. The 8 is attached by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And now the x is alone. I get x equals 8. Number 3, 9 plus x equals 17. I want to get the x alone. This 9 is actually attached by addition because x plus 9 is the same as 9 plus x, because we call that commutative, that they can move around and it's still the same thing. But I just want to get this x alone. The 9 is attached by addition. I'm going to move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. I can get rid of that plus sign in front of there if I want to, because I've undone the addition. I'm going to ignore this. So x is equal to 17 minus 9 is 8. Number 4 is 10 plus x equals 40. My unknown is x. I want to get it alone. There's a 10 attached by addition. I'm going to move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 30. So you might want to know, why does this work? Let's take a quick look at it. If I have 40 plus x, oops, that was supposed to be 10. 10 plus x equals 40. Really what I'm doing is I'm minusing it from both sides, because an equal sign says things have to stay balanced around it. So I'm minusing it from both sides. It goes away to 0 here, so it's all gone. And it's 30 here. Not going to go deep into the explanation yet, because what I'm showing you is the process and the flow of problems. And we'll talk about the why another time. Number 5, here's my unknown, it's x. It's got a 5 attached by addition. I want to get it alone, so I'm going to move that 5 to the other side of the equal sign by subtraction. Now this is important. Subtraction is not commutative. 8 minus 1 is 7. 1 minus 8 is a negative number. We call that negative. These are not the same. So 8 minus 1 is not the same as 1 minus 8, whereas 8 plus 1 is absolutely the same as 1 plus 8. That is called commutative. Addition and multiplication doesn't matter the order, but subtraction and division, we're going to get to, really does. So when I move this 5 over to the other side of the equal sign by subtraction, I have to put it after the 50. And I didn't leave myself room, but that's okay, because I can see what I have here. 50 minus 5 is 45. That equals x. Let's try number 6. We have 12 is equal to x plus 12. Okay, my x is right here. It's got something attached by addition, so I want to move it to the other side of the equal sign by subtraction. I didn't leave room again. Okay, what is 12 minus 12? 0. So x equals 0. Let's move on to number 7. We have 1 equals x plus 1. I want to get the x alone. 1's attached by addition, move it to the other side by subtraction, and it's gone. What is 1 minus 1? 0. X equals 0 again. Number 8. I have x plus 2 equals 2. My unknown is x. I want to get it alone. There's something attached. It's attached by addition. I'm going to move it to the other side of the equal sign by subtraction. I always like to line up my equal signs. And I get x equals 2 minus 2, 0 again. Okay, now I'm going to do some try-its. I recommend you take a screenshot of these try-its and try them on your own, and then you can watch what I do. So you might want to take a screenshot of this. These are the try-its I'm going to do. And we're going to use the same process, and I'm going to get started. So, number 1 in the try-its is x plus 2 equals 6. Here's my unknown x. I want to get it alone. The 2 is attached by addition. I'm going to move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. So I have x equals 6 minus 2 is 4. Number 2, x plus 5 equals 10. Here's my unknown x. I want to get it alone. 5 is attached by addition. I'm going to move it to the other side of the equal sign by subtraction. And I'm getting x equals 10 minus 5 is 5. Number 3, 11 plus x equals 16. Here's my x. There's 11 attached by addition. I'm going to move it to the other side of the equal sign by subtraction. And I'm getting x equals 16 minus 11 is 5. Number 4. I think I can fit it on here. Number 4 is 100 plus x equals 400. Here's my unknown. I want to get it alone. The 100's attached by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. I'm getting x equals 300. All done. Number 5. 98 equals x plus 30. My unknown is x. I want to get it alone. 30 is attached by addition. I move it to the other side of the equal sign by subtraction. My unknown's alone. That's good. Now I just have to do my arithmetic. 98 minus 30 is 68. Number 6. 32 equals x plus 32. My unknown is x. There's a 32 attached by addition. I'm going to move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. 32 minus 32 is 0. You might wonder why I'm not rewriting every time. I'm even just doing this, which isn't nice and neat and clean. I have found that most errors come on rewriting. So I only rewrite to gather like terms and distribute, which we're going to talk about far later. So for now, this is how we're doing it. It's how we can ensure that we're not making careless errors. 75 equals 75 plus x. Here's my x. I want to get it alone. The 75 is attached by addition. I'm going to move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. 75 minus 75 is 0. 0 equals x. Number 8. I have x plus 13 equals 13. Here's my x. I want to get it alone. The 13 is attached by addition. I'm going to move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. I'm getting x equals 13 minus 13 is 0. All done. I have 4 sets of review problems for you to do. The link is below. Try to do them on your own and then check your work. Thanks for being here. Good luck.